Hi all, welcome to the most nerve-wracking thing I have ever done. Starting here with the gel polish colour, I'm using Rose Hip by Halo Gel Polish on a buffed nail tip. If you are recreating this, you can use any colour, and if it's on a client, this will work over sculpted or tips as it's a gel design. After the first coat, place the nail in the lamp for 30 seconds to cure and apply a second coat and place back in the lamp for a further 30 seconds. If needed, apply a third coat. Moving on to the top coat, here I'm using a non-wipe top coat also by Halo Gel Polish. Non-wipe is best for this as it stops any glitter sticking where it isn't needed. Put this into the lamp and cure for 60 seconds. Now we have the base of the design done, it's time to start stamping. Here's what you'll need for that. I use clear jelly stamper, and for this nail I'll be using a circle stamping plate and white stamping polish. Starting with the bigger circle, apply the white polish in a downward manner and scrape upwards. Gently and swiftly roll over the chosen circle with the stamper. Apply this circle to the nail where you want it, remembering to leave room for the next two circles to overlap with each other. Next, move on to the slightly smaller circle and repeat the process, keeping in mind that you need to fit 3 circles on the nail, and if it's going to be a full set, bear in mind how they will look next to each other when you place these circles so that they look cohesive. Move back over to the larger size for the last circle and it should look like a chain on the nail. Next we will need the Barbara 2 brush from Crystal Nails and a white non-wipe gel paint. I'm using Crystal Nails Royal White Gel. Here's where we can achieve the overlapping look. Using the Royal Gel, paint over sections of the white circles we placed before, one circle at a time, leaving a gap to show the points where the circles overlap. Doing one over and one under like a basket weave. This part is a little hard to explain without the visuals, so we've zoomed in so you can see which parts I paint and which parts I skip on the circle. Not all of the footage of painting the circles is sped up in case it became a little hard to follow. You could just watch, so I'm going to pause the voice over here so you can watch. Speed it up if you want to. Once you've finished painting the circle, we can get to the fun part and add some glitter. You will need 2 colours of glitter to show the overlap. I'm using Baby Pink and Wow Rainbow by Smiley's Glitter Store. Pour the first colour of glitter onto the gel painted circle and tap the excess into the little tray and put it into the lamp for 60 seconds to cure. Dust off the excess and repeat for the next circles. Again, no need for me to jabber over this part, so I'm going to pause again and let you speed through this part if you want to, and if you need a little more time to get it, then you have the opportunity to watch and learn at your own pace. As you can probably see here, I've missed a section. This gap here needs to be pink to finish the chain effect and make it look like the pink ring is interlocked with the other ring. These little trays that I've been using to catch excess glitter are great for this kind of thing because you can easily clean up and get the glitter back in its pots. We don't waste anything sparkly. These pots are also available from Smiley's Glitter Store. Thanks for watching, and I hope this has helped for the people who requested it. If you have any other requests and would like to see more videos, please let me know in the comments below. Enjoy. Thank you. Bye bye.